Did you accidentally commit sensitive data to your Azure DevOps repository? Don't panic, in this video I will show you step by step how to delete that commit safely and effectively. Stick around because missing this could mean leaving your data exposed. Hi everyone, I'm Lionel, your Microsoft MCT and MVP, and you are on my Azure DevOps playlist. Today we see how to remove a commit from Azure DevOps Repos. To really show you how this works, there is nothing better than a live demo. As you can see on the screen, I have created a repository, and if we look at the latest commits, you will notice I accidentally pushed a password. But don't worry, we can fix this easily. Let's get started. First, clone your repository to your local environment using the command git clone. Next, switch to the branch you are interested in. In this case, it's my feature branch, so we'll use the command git checkout branch. Now, either by using the command git log or directly from Azure DevOps, find the commit number just before the one with the error. We'll then run the command git rebase merges onto, followed by the commit number we just found. After that, a simple git push will get us the result we want. Back in Azure DevOps, if we go to the commits menu, we can verify that our secret is no longer in the code or in the commit history. See, that wasn't too complicated. We have successfully erased all traces of our mistake. By the way, do you have other methods for removing commits even more easily? Feel free to share your tips in comments below. Remember, security is crucial on Azure DevOps. I often encounter instances of exposed secrets or overly permissive permissions. That's why I urge you to check out my related videos. You will find direct links on the screen right after this, as well as in the description below. Everyone makes mistakes, but what's crucial is being proactive in preventing them and knowing how to rectify them swiftly, just like we did today. Thank you so much for your time, your support means the world to me. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you in the next video, where we'll continue our quest to master DevOps in Azure. Hey, thank you so much for dropping by my channel today. Here are some other videos that might interest you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be informed of the weekly updates. Let's keep growing a fantastic learning community together. My goal is to assist as many people as possible on their cloud and DevOps learning journey. That's it, take care and see you next time.